sick with it. Wickedness. I dug a ditch for myself, then I slipped in it. Now I'm looking at the throne of he who sits in it. I need forgiveness, I'm a sinner, I'm admitting it. Say yes to me, come rescue me. Bless those and the ones standing next to me.
So here you can see the aluminum going up. It's on the bottom right there, and it's on the left hand side. You compare it to the right hand side, right here. So this stuff, I don't ever have to worry about painting. Obviously, I gotta caulk both of these corners. I gotta caulk the bottom, this here, and the tops. But look at this. You think I want to be scraping this and recalking it and painting it every couple years? No. Of course not. So, look at that. That looks good. I like that look. I ain't gotta paint that. Mess with it. Step back again. You can see it at the same time. Right side, left side. Yeah. Looked up. Man, that looks good. That was way easier to paint. I'll let these windows wrap. It's only you who I run to, cause I ain't have a father to run to. No father, man.